Hello and welcome to My Deep Guide, the new studio edition. It's not complete yet, but it's complete enough that I can actually start recording in this new environment and start bringing you content that you have all been very patiently waiting for. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But before I do, this is going to be one more update video just to kind of show you where the progress is, where things are now, how it's actually looking, and also some of the things that you can look forward to in the immediate future. So let me take you for a small showcase. All right, so this is basically the new setup, and it's not fully done yet, as I mentioned, and it looks like this. So this is my little chair that I'm going to be on, a couple of bases. I really love these, and they're not going to stay empty. There's going to be like a My Deep Guide metal sign, round sign that's going to be there, different type of light that's going to be illuminating and changing a little bit here, depending on the mood, a couple of shelves here with some mementos and some kind of things that I prefer to have, and maybe there's going to be a book or a record or a device or something for people to actually keep an eye out in the background. The rest of the stuff is just an organizational kind of thing, so I can keep my devices here, and these are all to be reviewed, and some boxes, and this is stuff that I've been working on. Incidentally, those are the things that you can look forward to, such as Kobo Ellipsa 2E unboxing, IMU unboxing, and low free flow. Those are the first things to do. Here's the Desta test underneath it. Where is it? Down here in the box. Then here we have the screen roughness testing device. And over here is a permanently installed review box and a desk, which is a huge improvement to what I've had before, because before I had to dismantle and dismantle this huge box and everything here to kind of set it up, and one desk in one area had to accommodate for everything, you know, YouTube, not YouTube, work related, doesn't matter, it had to do everything. Now things are a lot better and a lot more comfortable. Yeah, I got one of the lights here, so that's that. Now so more things are going to come for the YouTube room, but the main studio room is now complete, and I just wanted to give you a quick look-see at it because I'm really happy how it turned out. So sound treatment is done on the ceiling, on the sides. You can actually see that the table, the rack console thing that I've made is now fully populated. The screens are there, the speakers are there, the acoustic treatment is there, and there's my LPs and turntables and all the stuff that I actually enjoy. So this is going to be, and this is my main workroom. So this is where I'm going to be doing, as far as YouTube goes, editing and all that kind of stuff, but mainly all of my other work is going to be done in this room, such as video game development, music, and all of the other stuff. So that is the state of things currently in the new digs. I'm going to be also checking out, now I'm emerging into the YouTube room, and I think that it needs a little bit more acoustic treatment, that there's a little bit more audio reflections here, but I'm going to see if it's being picked up by the camera or not. If not, I don't care about it, but if it is, then I'm going to add a couple more panels just to dampen the sound a little bit. And also I'm thinking of adding maybe some life, so that maybe on the shelves, or maybe here a plant or two or something like that, just to make it a little bit more enjoyable. So there you go. Thank you for your support, and thank you for coming on with the journey of actually creating and getting all of this big transition happening with the My Deep Guide. It was a lot of work, and it's still a lot of work left, but at least now I'm able to continue working, and that's something that's a huge load off my shoulders, and yeah, it's a good place to be at. Thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for your kindness. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next videos. Bye.